Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney. Happy Saturday. Again, I was a little behind filming, so this is going to be just my little cash stuffing. I have $245 today, and we're just going to do our wallet and our high priority. So I don't have anything left in my wallet this week. So groceries is getting 50. Dining out is getting 35. Gas is getting 25. And Arya's getting skipped this week because she's with her dad all week for winter break. So that's it for my wallet. How are you guys doing? How has your week been? I hope y'all are having a great day. All right, let's see. So we are skipping cell phone. I actually need to pull this money and put it back in the bank because I technically already paid my bill in advance. So, but that's going to be pulled soon. So we have 51, 120, 30, 40, 45, 50, 150. So I'm just going to put this back in my envelope to go back to the bank. Oops. I can get it in there. All right. And we'll start stuffing that again next time. Hair is getting 30 this week. So 20 and a 10. So that is, oops. Oh my goodness, you guys. So we have 2, 4, 50, 60. $60 in hair. All right, car insurance is getting 50. So we have 300 in the bank. I'm actually gonna grab these 2 20s and a 10, and I'm gonna sub them out for the 50 that I put in here, just to condense a little bit as I go. Where did that 50 go? There it is. Okay, so we'll just exchange those. All right, so we have 300 in the bank, 51, 152, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So 590 for car insurance. And I probably should take this back. Well, I guess once I hit 300 in here, I'll take it back and transfer it to my high yield savings account until I'm ready to pay my car insurance, which is in April. Okay, medical today is getting 15. All right, so this has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, which is great, guys. That's awesome. Okay, and then car maintenance. We kind of have moved this to high priority because I need to get my oil changed, and I think my brakes are going to give out soon. It's just a feeling. But this is getting 15 this week. Okay. So it has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Ooh, yay. That's awesome. All right, so we should definitely be able to get our oil changed this week. Okay, and then entertainment is getting nothing. I don't think any of the other things in this envelope are getting stuffed this week, or in this binder. Okay, so last but not least, we are going to put $25 towards Arya's birthday because we have the money this week to just add it directly to the envelope. I also saved for her birthday in my mini Mondays, and I've just started saving for her birthday in my festive Fridays. Okay, so 20, but I'm a little bit paranoid because her birthday's coming up next month and you know, they're just so expensive. I feel like I just always end up overspending on decorations and party favors and gifts and all that. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 91, 105, 6, 7, 8. $108 in her birthday. That's awesome. And I don't really have a goal in mind. I'm just gonna try to save as much as I can. And then if we have any left over, we will, you know, put it towards something else. So that is it for the video today, guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.